Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to embellish this clear PVC bag. You have seen me work on a few other clear bags, but I did see that the seller that I purchased the other bags from added a red addition to their collection. Now, in reviewing this bag, I did purchase it myself. It's not a sponsored video, but I noticed that the bag is smaller. I also noticed that the bag, the PVC itself, is far more flimsy than the prior bags that I purchased. And although the chain feels of substantial weight and quality, the issue I'm having is that the actual bag inside has a white fabric. And so the piping you could see here has white, and then it's red on the outside. I feel like this kind of cheapens the look of the bag. So I don't know if they have cut the quality of their bags by perhaps cutting corners and switching up the fabric of the piping. But those are the visible differences. I still wanted to continue with the project because I do love the red with the gold chain. So if you'd like to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the loot for today. I purchased 8 of these garnet strands and they were at $2.75 a piece for a total of $22. These are all from Beads Factory in downtown LA, and I'll post all links in the description bar below. Okay guys, stuff the bag with the towel so that it is more of a firm surface to work on. Okay guys, I am almost done here with the first layer. I did use all 8 strands. I have 4 more. Make sure you wash them, dry them, and continue embellishing until you reach this area here. Not the top of the flap, but right below it. So anywhere you see big gaps, you're going to put a rhinestone. These rhinestones have metal backings here, and they were purchased at Beads Factory. A package of these costs about $150. So you could see there's not many gaps there, but this is our first layer. We're going to be working on the second layer. Now moving on to the second layer, which requires me to put these substantially large rhinestones, and they're round, probably about 20 millimeters or so. These are from Imperial Trim. I will post the address down below. You're going to be placing them sporadically for the second layer. Okay guys, so the best part of the DIY is going to be the following. This is the part where I'm going to apply the insect pins to the top of the first layer of 3D. And you can see how colorful and beautiful and unique they are. I did purchase them from AliExpress. Again, all the links will be down below. I am going to clip off the backs of these pins in order to adhere them to the gems, and you'll be seeing how I'm going to be placing them. So after I created the butterfly bag with the roses, which I'll post the link in the bottom and insert a photo here for you to see, I wanted to create another insect theme bag, but I wanted to place the pins sporadically throughout as opposed to covering the complete front flap. So this is where I got the idea to do it. These pins are my favorite. That's why I bought 4 of them. They're so beautifully colored and the enamel just looks flawless. Okay guys, now that you have set all the stones, let it dry. Okay guys, so this is the finished product and the bag is looking quite sparkly. I love how it turned out. The red bag with the red gemstones and then the pops of crystal clears and the brooches really makes it look really intricate, very unique, and incredibly beautiful. So If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.